Ever spent hours debugging inconsistent error responses or wrestling with pagination in your REST APIs? You're not alone. Backend devs know the pain of juggling validation rules, writing repetitive documentation, or handling edge cases that crash your endpoints. Our pack gives you battle tested validation pipelines with JSON schema, centralized error handling with RFC 7807 compliance, cursor based pagination with eTag headers, and automated Swagger OpenAPI 3 docs that update in real time. Whether you're a Node.js engineer, Python API specialist, or Go backend hacker, this is your toolkit. Skip the all-nighters. Let's make your API the hero, not the headache. Here's what's inside the REST API design pack. Data validation with JSON schema and AJV for type safety. Stateful error handling using middleware that maps HTTP status codes to problem details. Cursor-based pagination with link headers and database indexing strategies. OpenAPI 3.0 spec generation with automatic endpoint annotation. Performance benchmarks for load testing your endpoints. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolchain, it's your API's 6-star Michelin guide. Installing the REST API design pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add API design pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow: validation pipelines, error handling templates, pagination blueprints, and documentation generators. Your next Claude code session auto loads the pack. No config needed. Your AI assistant now knows how to structure RFC compliant errors, optimize database queries for pagination, and generate API docs that don't rot. 2 years of backend lessons compressed into one install. Coffee still won't write the code for you, but we'll make it worth your sip.